Hey guys! We are starting our market prep series because a couple of my markets are coming up. I have one in 2 weeks, one in the middle of April, and I just got approved for another one on May 31st, so like at the end of May. So I have 3 coming up. I on purpose did not sign up for a lot of markets because they're not super profitable for me. It makes more sense for me to put my energy and time into online orders. So that's why I only have 3 in the next 3 months. I might sign up for more if I see any good ones coming up, but so far I just have 3. So yeah, the closest one that I have is in 2 weeks. So I'm starting my market prep right now because I don't have a lot of things made in stock because the last market that I did was in December, so 3 months ago. Yeah. And yeah, most of the things that I make, they sell online, and I don't like keeping a lot of stock on hand because I don't want to waste anything if it doesn't sell. So I'm gonna show you what I have right now. Yesterday, I made a couple of bowl cozies. I made them in this new fabric, and I really love the way they turned out. I'm definitely going to be making more bowl cozies in like different colors. But this is what I made yesterday. I didn't make that much yesterday because I didn't have time. And I also came up with a new design for the little wallets or coin purses. And I made just a bigger zipper pouch of this one. I made these yesterday because I already had them pre-cut because I was going through like little remnants of my fabric that I have, and I was like thinking of what can I make with those so I don't waste any fabric, and I made these 2 zip pouches yesterday. Then this is all the zip pouches that I have. 1 Kindle sleeve too in the end. So yeah, these are all of them. I still have this one that I made a very long time ago, like for my first market ever. This one hasn't sold yet, but we'll see, maybe someone will buy it. So yeah, I have a bunch of these. A couple of them I need to put my labels on because I just haven't made, yeah, like these don't have labels on them, but the rest of them do. So yeah, all of these are gonna go at my markets. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on making I'll probably make more zip pouches too, and I want to make a lot more of the wallets, coin purses. I want to make enough to like fill this whole thing up with them. Then I have a couple of like boxy makeup bags. This one is a mini. I think I'll try to make more minis, so this one is not by itself. So yeah, I'll make more of the mini makeup bags. And then I have all of these like boxy zip pouches. I don't know if I even want to sell these ones anymore. I'm definitely not going to be making more in this color, so it's going to be the only ones that I have in this color left. And I have this one with the mushrooms and this one from my newest collection. So yeah, a lot of these things I've had for a while, and I need to put labels on them because I made them back when I didn't have my own labels yet. I'm also running out of my labels, so I probably need to order more. And I also have a couple of book sleeves right here. So yeah, I don't have that much. I have a couple of tote bags right there too, but that's all I got right now, I think. Most likely, yeah. So what I'm gonna do today is probably cut out more fabric. Right now I'm just gonna be figuring out all the different designs that I want to do, all the different patterns, but my goal is to just sew as much as I can in these next 2 weeks, basically preparing for this market. I also posted a schedule for all of my upcoming markets on my Instagram if you're in North Carolina, if you're interested to visit any of them. I have all of them are in Eastern North Carolina. My next one is in Nidell, then I have one in Southport, and I have another one in Benson. So if you live nearby and feel like visiting, you can go to my Instagram and see where they are and come see me. All right, let's get to work. Okay, so I do have a couple of already pre-cut fabric, and I'm gonna make coasters out of these ones. I was gonna use them for my beach tote, but I ended up not using these, and I already have them pre-cut, so why not use them for the coasters? So I'm gonna make them in these colors, just the same exact way as I did this one. Then I have this pre-cut. I think this will be like this will be a zip pouch. And then I have another one pre-cut for a zip pouch as well. So I have 2 zip pouches pre-cut and 2 coasters so far. So yeah, let's just do those. I had to change because I was burning up in my shirt, but I cut out 4 more bow cozies because I wanna, since I still have cotton thread in my machine, I just wanna sew all of them. I used up all of my cotton batting, so these will be the last ones that I make. I should buy some more cotton batting probably. And I cut up some fabric for 2 bow keychains, and I cut 2 coin pouches and 3 zip pouches. I also got this new fabric. I think it's really cute, and it would be like a good substitute for that one fabric that I had to discontinue. I'll leave a picture of a bag that I used that fabric for right here, but I think it's pretty similar to this one. At least it's the closest that I could find, and I really like it. I actually like it maybe even more than that one because there's more colors in this one. But yeah, I'm gonna try making some wallets with it and some zip pouches. Okay, less talking, more working. So here's everything that I'm gonna be sewing right now. What it looks like, and now I'm just gonna do the same thing to all of my pieces, and I'll be back when I'm done with that. All done. Now I'm gonna put them all together. Hey guys, wanted to show you all the bow cozies that I made yesterday. It was already kind of getting dark, so I didn't want to film it in the dark. So yeah, here's all of the ones that I have so far. I ran out of cotton batting, so I don't know if I'm gonna go buy more and make more bow cozies or if I'll just stop here. We'll see. See, I made 2 of these in that color, and then I made 2 in this color. I don't put my labels on them because my labels are cotton, but I'm not sure like the backing that they use in the back of the label so they don't fray. I am not sure if that's microwave safe, so I just don't put it on there. And then I have these that I made like the previous day. So yeah, I'm happy with how all of these turned out. I just need to trim off a couple of things on there. But yeah, and I started sewing some coin pouches right now. So I'm gonna just work on that, and I'm gonna sew all of the zip pouches that I have cut out. And then I'll move on to making some keychains. Look how cute it turned out. Here's all of them so far. I have 3. My new thank you cards are here. Let's unpack it together. I'm so excited. I finally got like a good quality, pretty thank you cards. I got 100 also. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, and with these, I left the back blank so I can just print out some QR codes for my website and just put them in the back so people can scan them for my website. You guys look at him first. Is it cute? It's upside down. It's so cute! Oh my goodness, I love it. It is so cute. Yeah, and you see like the back is just plain. Ooh, I love these. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so much better than my DIY ones. Oh, this is so cute. And I did just receive an order yesterday, so I can use my new thank you cards for that one. This is so adorable. Hey guys, so today is Monday. I was supposed to post this video today, but I think I want to make a little more stuff before I do. Because I had a very busy weekend. My brother-in-law got engaged and we had to drive like 4 hours one way to the mountains for the proposal and then 4 hours back. So it was a lot of driving, and on Sunday then I had to like just sleep for a long time and kind of recover from driving all day. So yeah, didn't do much work, didn't do any work during the weekend, which is nice to have some days off, but I also like wanted to work those days. So today I am going to do full day of sewing so I can have a little bit more products made. So let's look over what I have so far. I made some zip pouches, some big ones and small ones, and I have 2 coasters, and then I made 7 ball cozies, and I have a bunch of bags in the back. And what I want to focus on today is making more of these bow keychains because I have 3 right now. Here's kind of everything that we have so far. Not a lot, so I gotta make more. I gotta make a lot more. I went through my scrap fabric and just cut some for the bow keychains. It doesn't take that much fabric, so I'm just trying to use all the scrap fabric that I have. Alright, here's all the keychains that I made so far. They're all bows, but they are in different fabrics. I like this one with the bee, is really cute. And this one, I don't know how to display them better. I made this one as well. This one is the design that I already have, but all the other ones are new. Then here's how the canvas one turned out, pretty cute. And I have these 3 as well. Hard to hold them all at the same time. Anyways, I am going to make more because I think they will sell pretty well. They're all super cute. I also have these 2 hearts, but I will definitely be making more bows in different colors. Let me know which one is your favorite. These are the 4 that I made today. There you go. I think I will start worrying about all of my displays next week, and if I need to make something, I will do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep making up my inventory. I'm getting tired, honestly. It's 3 o'clock. I think I'll go make myself some coffee or something because I'm getting really sleepy and I need an energy boost. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. finally finished making an order and I don't have any outstanding ones, so I can focus on making everything for the market. And I cut out some book sleeves and I quilted them, and now I just need to put them together and I'll have 2 done. Alright, so here's everything that I have done for the market so far. I definitely am going to continue making more stuff. I definitely want to make more tote bags, more boxy makeup bags, possibly some coasters. But yeah, it's definitely looking much better now and more full, like I have more stock on hand. I realized that I actually don't have that many scrunchies left, surprisingly. I thought I had a lot of them, but yeah, I'm gonna make a couple of scrunchies. I have a couple of bookmarks, so I might make those too. I think we're good on zipper pouches. I will make more smaller ones. Here's all of our book sleeves. Also, I make more. But yeah, over the next week and a half, I'm just gonna keep making as many things as I can. But it's pretty good for the first week of preparing for it, and I'm pretty happy with it. Thank you guys for watching this video and following along with me making all the stock for the market. I am very excited to start my market season. There's definitely going to be more market vlogs coming, and I'm really excited for that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.